Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. My name is Ashish Kumar and this is one session on graph-based question. So first of all, I welcome you once again on our Unacademy CAT YouTube channel for your CAT 2022 and OMITS 23 preparation. This is very brief introduction of myself. I'm an ex-time faculty, got 9+ years of teaching experience overall, and I've always produced a student who has scored some awesome marks in actual CAT examination. Let's check out if I'm perfectly audible and visible, which I believe I am. Oh, yes. चलो guys. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू जॉइन दिस टेलीग्राम फैमिली. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. दिस इज माय ऑफिशियल टेलीग्राम चैनल Unacademy_Ashish. यहाँ पर आपको सारे के सारे जो सेशंस आपने मिस करे हैं वो प्लेलिस्ट के फॉर्म में मिल जाएगा. नॉट ओनली दैट, जो भी अपकमिंग सेशंस होंगे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वाले, यूट्यूब पे हो या स्पेशल क्लास पे हो, आई पुट ऑल द लिंक्स इन दिस टेलीग्राम चैनल. So be a part of this channel. Also, you can reach me out personally if you wish to connect with me for any of the reasons or through this channel. एक बहुत important बात that we were missing to convey since long was on Unacademy Plus platform, guys. We have lots of questions to practice. 25,000 plus questions we have in the form of practice questions over the Plus platform. In addition to multiple batches that we offer. Batches तो है ही है. In addition to that, we have 25,000 plus questions. 25 plus full length mocks for CAT, 60 plus sectional test, 30 plus हर एक batch. We conduct multiple batches. We start roughly 10 to 12 batches a month. हर एक batch में you have 30 plus batch specific test. Not only that, ओमिट्स के लिए 25 प्लस फुल लेंथ मॉक्स है, 30 प्लस स्किल बिल्डर टेस्ट है, एंड जीके वगैरह के लिए भी टेस्ट है. लाइक जीके एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है फॉर टिस्नेट आईएफटी एंड ऑल. वेलकम श्रुति, वेलकम प्रयांशु. सो इतना कंटेंट अवेलेबल है इन एडिशन टू ऑल द लाइव बैचेस. ये सारा स्टैटिक कंटेंट है जो आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो आपके ऊपर. प्राइसिंग बट अभी एक ऑफर चल रहा है. वी हैव दिस 20% ऑफर गोइंग ऑन टिल 28th of April. If you apply the code ASK10, आपको 20% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. स्टैंडर्ड ईयर्स सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस का यू विल गेट इन 19,840. 20,000 से भी कम में आ जाएगा. एंड आइकनिक इज फ्रॉम पर्सनलाइज्ड स्टफ. 1:1. अच्छा, I'll tell you about Iconic later on. ठीक है. So pricing is 31,640 after discount for Iconic. And in addition to that, we have launched 2 batches on 27th of April, that is yesterday. एक तो it goes by the name Master Batch and second Mission CAT Batch. Those batches are taken care by top educator of the country, Sambhav Jain. Welcome Sambhav. I've changed my look. Okay, ठीक है. Again, batches के benefits तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया. Little bit could be, हाँ. So Iconic का benefit बता. Iconic तो आपको confuse नहीं होना. It's different to that of Plus. क्लासेस सेम है, बैचेस सेम है, बट आइकनिक इज अ पर्सनलाइज्ड स्टफ. इसमें 1:1 मेंटरशिप आपको मिल जाएगी. 1:1 डाउट सॉल्विंग. मेंटरशिप क्यों चाहिए? प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल के लिए आपकी हेल्प होती है मेंटरशिप से. पर्सनल टेस्ट एनालिसिस, एक्सपर्ट गाइडलाइंस, आपका कंटेंट वीक एरिया वगैरह फिगर आउट करते हैं. एंड प्लस के सारे बेनिफिट्स तो है ही. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ पर्सनलाइज्ड स्टफ. एंड एक यूसीएल हमने किया था 15th of May को, 24th of April को. Next UCL is on. It starts from May 11 and the examination will be on May 15. Again same prices. Speaking of that, कल हम लोग ना 9 PM को UCL का पेपर एनालिसिस करेंगे. UCL में जो क्वेश्चन आए थे ना DILR के, वो कल हम लोग, that is 29th. Today is 27th or 28th. आज क्या है? 27th है ना? तो 28th tomorrow, 28th of April को we will discuss the paper that featured in UCL. Okay, DILR के people will solve tomorrow at 9 PM. Let's start with the things. Graph based question है. So graph based में table, bar graph, line graph, pie chart, expect these and miscellaneous graph. Practice session है. Graphs are nowadays important. पिछले 2-3 साल से लगातार आ रहा है ग्राफ. इस साल भी आया था बार ग्राफ. टेबल भी आ रखा है. So you should not ignore this, और easy होता है काफी. चलो, has changed my looks. How's life? Somehow, if you're here. Chalo, quickly attempt the question. We'll start discussing this question by 9 9. Okay. We'll start discussion of this question by 9 and 9. Discussion. This question starts at 9 p.m. Quickly, guys, come on. Read the table properly. We started, we did not finish. Quickly कर लो स्मृति. We started but we did not finish. I believe 2 या 3 किया था. 2 या 3 ही किया था. I'll give a minute, इसलिए मैंने 2 मिनट ही दिया है. One quickly read this out. Quickly. और ऑल्सो यस यू कैन रेफर. जब लास्ट सेशन में 2 कर रहे थे ना शायद, तो ट्राई फ्रॉम थर्ड क्वेश्चन से ट्राई कर लो. ओके, विल स्टार्ट डिस्कशन टू दिस क्वेश्चन एट 2:10. ओके, चलो. Discussion to this question starts at not 2:10, 9. You try कर लो. 2 ही किए ना, you can refer that for this. 9:11 p.m. Discussion to this question starts at 9:11 p.m. So you have 3 minutes in your hand. Attempt this question. Try this question. Okay. So the question is, in college P, the ratio of number of students who disqualified in the offline to online mode is 9:7. 60% of the students who qualified in the online mode are boys, and 40% of the students who qualified and appeared through offline mode are girls. Okay. Find the difference between number of girls qualified in the online mode and that of boys qualified in the offline mode. Try this. Come on, guys. Mm, 9:10. So you have 1 more minute left. In college P, okay, ये तो क्वेश्चन हो गया नीचे. Read the table carefully. Okay, Shruti says 219. We have 1 minute left. Sure, time's up. Let's start this question. 219, I believe, is the correct answer. Again, quickly, देखो ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन 2 मोड्स है. ऑनलाइन में अगर 69% स्टूडेंट है तो ऑफलाइन में कितने होंगे? 31%. सेम लॉजिक से कॉलेज क्यू में 65% ऑनलाइन है, 35% ऑफलाइन होंगे, here 40%, here 50%, and here 25%. Okay. No, 31% is equivalent to 620. In college P, 31% is equivalent to 620. So 1% is equivalent to 20. So हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, इनका एक्चुअल काउंट निकाल सकते हैं 1320. 1% is equivalent to 20 in college P. So 69% would be equivalent to 1320. College Q में 35% is equivalent to 560. Yes or no? So 1% is equivalent to 16 ना. So 16 into this क्या हो जाएगा? 1040. 40% is 740. So this would be 74 plus 37, 1110. And this would be 660 again. And this would be how much? 25%, so this would be 1620. Okay, very nice. So in college P, okay, college P में ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स कितने हैं? ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स है, आई बिलीव कॉलेज पी में ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स है 620. एंड ऑनलाइन कितने हैं बेटा? ऑनलाइन इज कॉलेज पी इज 1320. ओके, इसमें क्वालिफाइड एंड डिसक्वालिफाइड, ऑफलाइन में क्वालिफाइड एंड डिसक्वालिफाइड का रेशियो गिवन है 9:7. टोटल डिसक्वालिफाइड इज 240 एंड दिस इज इन द रेशियो 9:7. 9:7 मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? The first part is 240 को 9:7 में split करना है ना, so 9/16 cross 240 is the first part. 15 से 135, so 135 हो गया ये, this is 135. Total disqualified है 240, offline is to online का ratio है उसमें, ऑफलाइन इज टू ऑनलाइन का रेशियो है 9:7. एंड दिस disqualified from online would be qualified and disqualified. Disqualified from online would be 105 then. करेक्ट. हम क्वालिफाइड निकाल सकते हैं ना, क्या हो जाएगा इसमें? 120 माइनस कर दो, 15 माइनस कर दो, तो दैट वुड बी 485. करेक्ट. और ऑनलाइन में क्वालिफाइड स्टूडेंट्स वुड बी 1215. 1215. Now moving ahead, 60% of the students who qualified in the online mode are boys. Online mode में 60% are boys. Boys and girls? Boys are 60% of this. What would be 60% of this? Okay. पता ना 485 का 60% क्या हो जाएगा? Quickly, let's use the calculator. We have virtual calculator in examination. It's 291. Okay, and it is also given that 40% of the students who qualified and appeared through offline. Okay. उल्टा है ना? नहीं, give me a second. क्या गिवन है? 60% of the students who qualified in the online mode. Online mode are boys. So इसका 60% is boys. Yes. (60% of 1215). 60% of 1215. This is 729. 729 are boys, and 40% of the students qualified and appeared through offline mode are girls. 40% of 485 are girls. तो 0.4 into 485, these are girls, this is 194. Correct? चलो आ जाओ. Let's open the video again. Let's open the video again. दीनानाथ. चलो अब हम ऑफलाइन में बॉयज हु क्वालिफाइड हम निकाल सकते हैं ना. 485 minus 194, दिस वुड बी 291. 291 ही आ रहा है ऐसे भी ठीक है. 285 and 6 एंड गर्ल्स यहाँ हम निकाल सकते हैं. 271 plus 215 कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 271, 471, 486. What is asked finally? What is asked finally? Find the difference between number of girls qualified in online mode. Find the difference between girls qualified in online mode. Girls qualified in online mode to that of boys qualified in offline mode. To the boys qualified in offline mode. ओके. वो कुछ एरर करा है हमने. ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन 620 485. ओके ये ठीक है. 60% of the students who qualified online are boys. 486. Girls qualified in online mode. Girls qualified in online mode 486 हो गया. Correct. And boys qualified in offline mode 291. और difference 219 आना चाहिए ना. What error have we committed? There is some error. 219 should have been the answer. One two seven five. Where is it? 1320 minus. No, that's right. That's right. 1380. Yes, it's not 1320. It's not 1320 na. This is 1380. This is 1380. This is 1380. This is 1380. So these values will change. These values will change. Yes. Those values will change. Yes. That's 1380. This is 138 not. इधर ही error था. So this is 138 not. So this is 1375 and 1375 offline mates 40% through offline and 60% through online are boys. So 1375 का 60%. 1275 का 60%. 1275 का 60% has to be calculated. Yes. 1275 का 60% has to be calculated. Now what's that figure? 1275 cross 0.6, that's 765. This is 765. Okay. So and girls qualified, इसको minus करना होगा. That would be 510. चलिए that would be 510. So difference between girls qualified through online mode, that's 510. Or girls qualified through online mode is 510. Boys qualified through offline mode is 291 minus 291. This will give me 219. Yes, that's the calculation. That's the calculation. So error was here. मैंने जल्दी में 132 लिख दिया and उसके बाद वो inherent error आ गया completely question में. चलो try this question. Next one. Try next question. We'll start discussing in this question in 2 minutes. ये तो easy है. Discussion at 9:25 p.m. That's 1380. I'm very nice, Pranjal. I'm very good. One three 1380. How's your life? 35% is 16 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 104 not 1110. Okay, this would be 660 only, and this would be 1620. Okay, the total is we are interested in PSPQRS. Okay, 219 2000 1600 11. Okay, 1850. That's 1320 1960. The 2160. चलो Shruti says C. Total number of students qualified in college P and S. You have 1 minute left. We'll start discussing this question in 1 minute. एक 2 मिनट में हो जाना चाहिए. You can use calculators. Okay. एग्जाम में भी आपको कैलकुलेटर मिल जाएगा, so you can use calculators. No issues. P plus S qualified students are 2000 plus 1320 minus 240 minus 330. लिख सकते हैं ना. Number of students qualified in college P and S to that of Q and R. Okay, what would be this value? This would be 3320 minus 570. Okay, minus कर दो 3250 2750. This is 2750. Correct. Similarly, for college Q and R. Q and R में भी qualified निकाला ना. Q and R में qualified students are 104 not नहीं 1600. Total number of students in these two colleges 1850 minus disqualified students 280 minus 390. Okay, this gives me 3450 minus 670. Okay, subtract कर दो दोनों को. 3380 2780. What is the ratio of these two? इन दोनों का रेशियो क्या है? This is what is asked. इन दोनों का रेशियो 2750 and 2780. 3 से कैंसिल आउट हो रहा है? नहीं. So the ratio is 275 is to 278. Yes, sir. Last but not the least, try this question. The next question. In which college is the difference between number of students who appeared in exam in the online and the offline modes is maximum? In which college? ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स का जो डिफरेंस है वो मैक्सिमम है फॉर विच ऑफ द कॉलेज, फॉर विच ऑफ द कॉलेज? Hashtag 5 and then their answer. This question was easy in nature of all the questions. Of all the questions, this question was easy in nature. डिफरेंस आप हर कॉलेज का निकाल सकते हैं और आपको एग्जैक्ट निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, रफली कर लो. दिस इज 1400, दिस इज 600, हियर द डिफरेंस इज रफली 800, रफली. The 1500, here the difference is roughly 500. Okay, 1100 and 700, the difference is roughly 400. 600 difference is 0. 16 and 5, 1100 का difference है. So maximum difference is in T. अगर दो values close होते तो हम check कर सकते थे closely, but not required for this question. Try the next question. आ जाओ. Check this out. Let's move to next question. Attempt this, and discussion to this question will start at 9:31. Discussion at 9:31. Discussion to this question starts at 9:31. Uh, Hashtag 6 and then your answer. Come on students, करो फटाफट आंसर यार. The bar graph shows the total investment of Rahul and Nanda in 5 different schemes, and bar graph 2 shows percentage of Nanda's investment out of total investment in those schemes. Okay, वो दिक्कत नहीं है. Time is almost up. 1 minute और बचा है. ओके, इस क्वेश्चन में छोटा सा एरर लग रहा है मुझे. ये 2,20,000 है, 20,000 अस्यूम कर लो. ओके, आई गिव यू 2 more minutes. 20,000 अस्यूम कर लो. दैट्स नॉट 2,20,000, दैट्स ओनली 20,000. Come on, try this question. If Rahul and Nanda invest in scheme W, which offers simple interest at a certain rate of interest for 5 years, the difference between the interest earned by Rahul and Nanda is 20,000. Then find the rate of interest. We are speaking of scheme W. Okay. Chalo. We are about to discuss this question. Anybody with the answer? Uh, yes, B is the correct. No, six का D नहीं है दीनानाथ. देखो, we are speaking of scheme W. Scheme W में they total invested 1 lakh rupees ना. Out of which bar graph 2 gives the percentage of Nanda's investment out of total investment. So W में नंदा का इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 25,000 एंड राहुल का इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 75,000. लेट द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बी R% per annum. Okay, तो इंटरेस्ट अर्न बाय नंदा वुड बी interest earned by Nanda would be the principal amount 25,000 into R% into time is how much? Time given is 5 years. Time given is 5 years upon 100. And interest amount earned by Rahul would be, interest of Rahul would be 75,000 हो जाएगा ना ये 75,000 of R into 5 by 100 and difference between these two is 20,000. I can proudly write दोनों का difference कितना हो जाएगा 50,000 into R into 5 upon 100 and that's 20k. आपको यही निकालना था. चलो easy है. This has been taken care of. 5 into 5 ये हो जाएगा आपको कितना हो जाएगा 5 into 5 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा ना. ये एक्स्ट्रा जीरो डाल दिया था मैंने. 4 टाइम्स में जाएगा. रेट इज 4 into 2. रेट इज 4 cross 2 8%. रेट इज 4 cross 2 8%. Try this question, the next one. What is the respective ratio of total investment of Rahul in scheme V and X to that of Nanda in same scheme? Answer this question. Laksha. #7 and then answer, guys. #7 and then answer. What is the respective ratio of total investment of Rahul in scheme V and X to that by Nanda in the same schemes? V and X में राहुल का इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है बेटा? V में आउट ऑफ 1,40,000 40% है नंदा का. 40% है नंदा का. सो 56,000 नंदा का है. ओके 56,000 नंदा का है इसमें एंड रिमेनिंग 84,000 राहुल का V में. X में 41.9 by 11%. What is 41.9 by 11%? 460 by 11. 460 by 1100 multiplied by. Okay, so this is 46,000 हो गया नंदा का, एंड 54,000 है 64,000 राहुल का. सो राहुल का टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट 84 प्लस 64. राहुल का टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 84,000 प्लस 64,000, एंड नंदा का टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 56,000 plus 46,000. 56,000 plus 46,000. What is the addition? 148,000, and this would be 102,000, and the ratio is, निकाल दो इसको, ये हो जाएगा 74/51. 74/51. Okay, try the next question. Try this one. Try this one. Question number 9. If scheme Y offers compound interest at 15% per annum for 2 years, compounded annually, what would be the interest earned by Rahul for the second year? What would be the interest earned by Rahul for the second year? If scheme Y offers compound interest earned at the rate of 15% per annum for 2 years, compounded annually, what would be the interest earned by Rahul for the second year? Sure. Answer this question. If scheme Y offers compound interest at a rate of 15% per annum for 2 years, compounded annually, what would be the interest earned by Rahul for the second year? What would be the interest earned by Rahul for the second year? वेरी नाइस. सो गाइस, देखो पहले तो आपको राहुल का इन्वेस्टमेंट यू नीड टू नो व्हाट इज द राहुल्स इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर द सेकेंड ईयर इन स्कीम बाई. स्कीम बाई में राहुल का इन्वेस्टमेंट इज हाउ मच? 50% ऑफ द टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो राहुल का इन्वेस्टमेंट हियर इज 72,000. वेरी नाइस. Now speaking of compound interest, overall interest in 2 years would be, एसपीसी लगा सकते हैं ना, ओवरऑल इंटरेस्ट इन 2 years. तो ओवरऑल इंटरेस्ट फॉर 2 years इज 15 प्लस 15 प्लस 15 इंटू 15 by 100. It goes by SPC 32.25%. Okay. Total interest earned is 32.25% by Rahul, out of which 15% फर्स्ट ईयर में था, तो सेकेंड ईयर में 17.25%. तो आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन शुड बी 17.25% of his investment. Final answer would be 17.25% of 72,000. Answer is 17.25% of 72,000. Check this out. ये क्या आ रहा है? Check this out. 17.25%, 17.25% of 72, 17.25 into 12420. 12420 is the answer to this question. Let's move to last question of this set. एक क्वेश्चन is set का, take this question as homework. Tomorrow we'll do analysis of a UCL DILR paper.